Scorching sun, relentless heat. Sounds like a recipe for a garden disaster, right? But what if I told you some plants absolutely love the heat? Instead of wilting away, these tough plants thrive under the blazing sun, bringing color and life to your garden all summer long. Whether you're dealing with dry spells or intense sunlight, these 20 plants are built to survive and flourish. Stay with us to discover the best sun-loving warriors for your garden. Sun-credible yellow helianthus, a continuous blooming sunflower with a bushy, well-branched form. No deadheading needed, just pure golden sunshine in your garden from spring to frost. Luscious lantana, a sun-worshipping champion that never stops blooming. Its vibrant clusters attract pollinators while resisting heat, drought, and even deer. Rockin' salvia, heat-tolerant, low-maintenance, and a favorite among hummingbirds. These salvias bring waves of color from spring through fall. Unplugged So Blue salvia, a compact pollinator-friendly variety with intense blue blooms that hold up beautifully under the sun's harshest rays. Color-coded echinacea. These bold cone flowers are pollinator magnets and keep their vibrant blooms intact even in the hottest months. Summerific hibiscus giant, tropical-looking blooms on a perennial plant that withstands extreme heat. A must-have for adding a dramatic flair to your summer garden. Profusion salvia, a deer and rabbit-resistant salvia that reblooms all summer long in extreme heat. A must-have for any pollinator garden. Rock and Grow sedum, perfect for rock gardens. This variety adds a pop of color while thriving in dry, sun-drenched areas. Rock and Round sedum, a low-maintenance ground cover with stunning pink, coral, or yellow blooms that attract butterflies and thrive in full sun. Center stage crepe myrtle, not just heat-tolerant, but also a showstopper with deep purple-black leaves and vibrant midsummer flowers. Pepe la Pomme pomegranate, a compact pomegranate shrub with bright orange blooms and tiny ornamental fruits. Great for containers or gardens. Waxwing mirror bush, glossy, color-changing foliage in red, yellow, and green. Heat-tolerant and can even be grown indoors. Sunstar Pentas. Think of oversized hydrangea-like flower clusters that don't fade under the sun. These pentas are not just heat-proof, but also magnets for butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. Rockin' Low sedum, a heat-proof ground cover with striking foliage and star-like flowers that require little to no care. Whirlwind scaevola, an Australian native that knows how to handle the heat. With abundant, fan-shaped flowers, it thrives in full sun without requiring much maintenance. Plus, bees love it. Diamond snow euphorbia, delicate-looking but tough as nails. This euphorbia powers through high heat and humidity, covering your garden in a mass of airy white flowers all season long. Heart-to-heart caladium, a tropical beauty that actually prefers sweltering heat. Unlike traditional caladiums, this one thrives in both the south and the north, adding bold color to your sunny garden. Just keep the soil moist, and you'll have a showstopper. Montana moss juniper, a deer-resistant shrub with soft blue-green foliage that works as an edging plant or ground cover. Sweet Caroline ipomoea, a gorgeous foliage plant that's heat and sun-tolerant while maintaining vibrant colors. Ideal for ground cover, hanging baskets, and container gardens. Sweet Caroline upside. Want a fast-growing, climbing vine for your trellis or fence? This one's a heat-loving beauty that can climb or trail, depending on where you plant it. Tired of watching your garden struggle in the summer heat? These 20 powerhouse plants will keep your garden alive and thriving, no matter how intense the sun gets. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.